Today we're going to install the secondary air injection pump on this 2016 Chevy Cruze. This is the old one. Just made a video of how to remove that. Here's the new one. There is the replacement part number. And here it is. So let's go ahead and dive right in and install it. So this is going to go right in here. Just work it in there. It's going to mount onto that one bolt right there that's sticking out. Alright, perfect. We have one nut and two bolts. Two bolts that go down at the bottom, the nut that goes right on top. So let's go ahead and put that nut right on top first. And we'll just snug it by hand. Okay, to bolt all of these down, you're going to be using a 1/2 inch socket. I'm using a small extension for the back side of this one here. The nut goes up there and the two bolts go down there. So I'm using the extension for this one here, and then that one and those two. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and start with the rear one first. And these will be a little hard to install, but just try your best. You're going to have to come this way. And the first one's going to go right there. Alright, so I have the first one in, and now I'm going to go ahead and put on the second one. And there it's going in. After I have all of them in place, I'm going to go ahead and start bolting them down, securing them down. Alright, and just go ahead and tighten everything down. And the back one next. It's way in here. Alright, and just make sure that's nice and tight. Then we're going to go ahead and do this upper one here. Sweet. Now we're going to go ahead and connect all of the hoses. Alright, so now let's go ahead and connect all of our hoses. Let's go ahead and connect this pigtail first. Right into here. Oh, I'm sorry. This one goes up here. Just like so. Secure that down. This one goes into here. Just like so. Alright, and we have our secondary air hose here, which goes like this, and it plugs in right into here. Right, there it is. Perfect. There it is. Sweet. Now she's ready. And that's all you have to do. I did break this one, so I'm going to put a zip tie right there. But that's it. And that is how you install that secondary air pump on this 2016 Chevy Cruze. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.